Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Hôtel Universel, Centre de Congrès Rivière-du-Loup. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hôtel Universel, Centre de Congrès Rivière-du-Loup featuring an indoor pool. This hotel in Rivière-du-Loup, Quebec is located off Highway 20. Modern guest rooms include free Wi-Fi and cable TV. A microwave, refrigerator and coffee facilities are offered in every Hôtel Universel, Centre de Congrès Rivière-du-Loup room. Each includes a work desk, air conditioning and ironing facilities. A fitness center is available at the hotel. Small meeting rooms are accessible at Hôtel Universel as well. During winter, it offers direct access to a snowmobile trail. Centre Hospitalier Regional du Grand-Portage is 3.3 kilometers from the hotel. Please note, if you would like to stay more than 3 days, please contact the hotel directly. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.